This new shop organization system is going to be a game changer. No, it's not. This new system of shelving is going to be revolutionary. No, it's not. This new shop organizational system is going to change woodworking for everyone. No, it's not. This new system is going to eliminate the need for French cleats. God, I hope so. We're not using those things. Today we are going to do some shop organizing. Maybe do a little, how everyone's got the stuff hanging on the wall to hold their whatevers. We're going to try to make a hold our whatevers wall hanging thing. Right? I got some plywood here from the pallet, of course. And I got some old used coffee cans. So, let's see what we can make out of this. Stay tuned. All right, so always, I'm going to build it out of recycled material. You'll see here in a second, it's basically recycled plywood from a pallet and coffee cans. That's coming up. But just to keep you interested, I want to go ahead and introduce this week's sponsor. Well, this week's sponsor is basically me, and we'll just clear up exactly how much of a cheap ass I am. Here are my universal tool hanger thingies from the Dollar Tree. Now collectively $1.25, but you get 4 of them for $1.25. Here are cup hooks, garden hooks, ceiling hooks from the Dollar General, which I bought last year on discount. You see they were already $1. It was like 75% off. I got a buttload of these for $0.25 each. And then this is one of those bar magnets from Harbor Freight, which I got a couple of years ago for free from one of those coupons. So thanks to one of our most recent subscribers, they pointed out the fact that I don't tell you to go and buy a bunch of garbage that you don't need, because I myself don't buy that garbage. But these are the things I buy. Dollar stuff. So there's no affiliate link, there's no sponsor, and I'm not going to ask you to go buy them. But if you're a bargain hunter, there might be something there. To the build! This is my very regular, 100% functional, utilitarian, recycled materials, a grand total of $1.50 invested, first shop organizational project. Huh? I know. So you guys see here, I got basically the reason I made this was this is all the stuff I keep losing. I always lose my hammers. I always lose my tape measures. I can never find my triangles or my level. And every one of you know the pencil problem. And this project here uses a grand total of 0 French cleats because I have screws. So I just screwed them into the wall. I know, French cleats, everybody's doing it. It's so easy to move and organize. If I want to move this, I can just, unscrew it and move it. Hope this helps. Hope this inspires you. Go out there, build something. It doesn't have to be out of garbage. But go ahead, build something. Have fun. Tell your friends, tell everybody you know. Put a like and a comment down on the bottom over there. Let me know if you want me to try to build something. It would be just as fun for me to try to build something as it is for me to try to build anything because it's heavy on the trying. Thanks again. Give me a like, give me a comment. Let's get to be friends. Tell everybody you know. Let's get this YouTube channel rolling.